Morning, students. Today we have to discuss the refraction by spherical lenses, and you must be knowing in refraction, ray of light moves from one medium to another medium. Two medium is required here. So the refraction phenomena takes place in lenses, and first of all, you should be knowing about what are the lenses. What is lenses? A lens is a piece of any transparent material bound by two curved surfaces. Listen, that is the transparent material should be enclosed in between the two spherical surfaces that forms a lens. That transparent material may be glass, water, or any other transparent material. So that lenses are of two types. One is the converging lens, or it is told as the convex lens. Another is the diverging lens, that is called the concave lens. Simple, different to that of the spherical mirror, because in spherical mirror you are finding the reflection phenomenon. In spherical lens you are finding the refraction phenomenon. The converging lens, how to identify the converging lens is very important. How to identify the converging lens, which lenses are converging the rays of light to a point. So converging lens are the lenses whose middle is thicker than the edge. So this is the converging lens. One spherical surface is this one. It is another spherical surface. They are enclosing some transparent material. Both the surfaces are enclosing some transparent material. You just think it the middle portion. The middle portion is thick than the edge. The end portion, these are the thinner, and this is the middle portion. That way, we can identify the converging lens by touching. The middle portion should be the thicker one. Another also, this is also one type of spherical surface. This is also spherical surface. They are enclosing the transparent material, and the middle here also you find it as the thicker one than the edge. And in this case, the middle portion is also thicker one than the edge. So these three are the converging lenses. But if you naming all these type of lenses, this this lens is called the biconvex lens. This is told as the biconvex lens, or it is told as the double convex lens. And in these cases, because both the surfaces are the spherical like that, spherical surface, and this will be told as the concavo convex, because as it is a convex lens, converging lens, always we will be telling at the last, concavo convex lens. And this is one surface is plane, another surface is convex, so it will be told as though plano convex lens. This is the plano convex lens. So this is the double convex lens, concavo convex lens, and this is the plano convex lens. In same manner, if you come for the diverging lenses or the concave lens, so this also one spherical surface, and this is one spherical surface. It is enclosing the some refracting material, and both the surfaces are concave, so it is told as the double concave. DOUPLE, double concave. It is told as the double concave. And here in this, how to identify the diverging lens or concave lens? The middle portion is thinner. The middle portion is thinner than the edge. This is the thin one, thin. Then all the type of, that is the double concave lens. And it is, one surface is concave, one surface is convex. That is told as the convexo concave. That is convexo concave, because one is concave, one is convex, but middle is thinner. That is told as the convexo concave. And this is one surface is plane, another is the concave, so it is told as the plano concave lens. There is plano concave lens. So students, you just to mind it here now that of your standard you will be finding only the biconvex lens, and that is the biconcave lens, but double convex lens. This lens and this lens is of your syllabus. It will be coming in the examination. And about all this biconvex and biconcave, we have to deal the different terms connected to it. So what are the terms connected to the convex lens and concave lens? In all the cases, you will be finding these are the terms. One is the aperture, another is the optical center, third one is the principal axis, principal focus, focal length, and center of curvature. That is the